Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Muddy Buddies. Now this is a really fun recipe and I'm also going to feature my mom in this video. So, let's get started. Alright, so in this bowl, we have about 8 or 9 cups of Chex or white cereal. Like this. White Chex. And now we just put this aside. Now in a white mixing bowl, run a microwave through and put in a quarter of a cup of butter. Cut them into chunks. 1/2 cups of dark chocolate. Then 3/4 of a cup of creamy peanut butter. Now just pop this in the microwave for about 45 seconds, but stir it each time until it's nice and melted and nice and smooth. Alright, so as you can see, the chocolate, the peanut butter, and the butter have nicely melted. And it's beautiful. Now after this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And just mix that in. Now put it to the side to let it cool for about 5 minutes. Now get the cereal and put the chocolate mixture straight in. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. And now we carefully mix it in, like folding it, so that way we don't break the cereal. Yeah, it's very important to do this carefully so don't break the cereal. And my mom is asking me I'm helping me. It's just right now. And don't get this to your dog because dogs can't have chocolate. Now I think it's what you're supposed to do is cover the cereal completely in chocolate. So what I do is I melt a little bit more chocolate and we're gonna put them in. And then at this point you get a zipper bag and put the cereal in there. And then you also put 1 cup of powdered sugar in the bag, and then you will get a baking tray. And my mom is gonna do the honors helping me place all the delicious money bars in the tray. And what they'll wait out, what can we do after?
Put it in the fridge.
Oh, put it in the
or
fridge.
freezer.
Freezer? Okay. So how long does it have to be in the freezer?
Just until it gets hard, I think.
until it gets hot. Okay. And there you go. Half a bar of homemade Mighty Buddies. Now, let's taste it. Well, I hope you guys tried the final recipe for our Mighty Buddies, as you can see. Perfect. And before I try this, if you want to see the original version, there were a few mistakes in this video. I also did the same video of the Mighty Buddies on my main channel, so you guys go check it out. The link is down below in the description. So click the link in the description and you see the original version of the Mighty Buddies. So, oh, it smells so good. Give it a try. Oh, perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. I want to let you guys know there'll be no video next week because it's the day before Thanksgiving, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be very busy preparing for the party and preparing the Thanksgiving feast, so there'll be no video next week. So I will see you after next Wednesday. Peace out.